We kick off this epic story in the vast, dark emptiness of cosmic space, where a swirling galaxy introduces us to the terrifying lore of the outer gods. Eons ago, absolute cosmic forces known as the Supreme Beings created thousands of universes from nothing. But despite possessing such unfathomable, boundless power, these gods grew incredibly bored. To cure their eternal boredom, they turned their own creations against each other, watching universes clash and destroy one another as a twisted game of entertainment. However, a massive shockwave recently rocked the cosmos when one of these supreme beings was actually slain by their own creation, a mere mortal. The scene then shifts completely to a bright, normal high school courtyard where a group of boys are chatting excitedly. Our main character, Sung Soo-ho, has just been accepted into a top-tier arts university, leaving his friends completely shocked and hyped for him. But the celebration gets cut short when Lee Yun-chul, the school's notorious bully, steps in with an angry scowl. He absolutely detests Suho because Suho's presence completely ruined his plans to rule the school with an iron fist. In the background, class girls whisper about how immature Yoonchul is, especially with graduation around the corner. Here, we learn a tragic reality about Suho. He lost both of his parents when he was just a kid. Yet despite carrying such a heavy burden, he never cries and always forces a bright smile on his face. Losing his temper, Yoonchul lunges forward to attack Suho from behind. But Suho doesn't even flinch. Without even turning around, he grabs Yoonchul in a flash, flips him and slams him brutally into the metal school lockers. Suho just wants to keep peace and stay calm. But Yoonchul is left utterly bewildered because he didn't feel a single ounce of pain from the impact. Instead, a strange, mysterious blue energy begins to crackle and glow around his hands. Suddenly, a massive 2-year time skip flashes across the screen, and we find Suho as a second-year student at university. Sirens violently wail across the campus as an emergency announcement blasts through the speakers, ordering everyone to cancel lectures and evacuate to the annex building immediately. Looking out the windows, everyone paralyzes with fear as a terrifying D-rank gate tears through reality right in the middle of the campus courtyard. To understand the danger, let's break down the lore. 3 years ago, these mysterious gates suddenly started opening across the world, acting as portals straight to deadly dungeons filled with vicious monsters. To fight back, certain humans suddenly awakened a mystical energy called mana, gaining superpowers to become awakened or hunters. Ever since, humanity has been split into the awakened and the non-awakened ordinary people. Back in the present, while everyone else is screaming and running, Suho is sitting calmly at his desk, casually sketching in his notebook. If you look closely at his drawing, he isn't sketching just anything. He is drawing Beru, the Ant King, the legendary and most loyal soldier of the Shadow Monarch. Suho sighs to himself, knowing he is just a regular non-awakened who has grown painfully used to a life of utter helplessness. He thinks back to his missing parents, remembering how his mother always told him he looks exactly like his father, and wonders what his dad would have done in this crazy situation. Suddenly, a loud commotion breaks outside as the raid team that entered the gate finally emerges. The students breathe a sigh of relief, thinking the raid was a success, but the relief turns into pure terror. The raid leader, Hunter Kim, stammers in horror, warning everyone that they encountered a completely new mutation inside, a monster with piercing blue fire blazing from its eyes and mouth. Before he can even finish his sentence, Hunter Kim's eyes violently ignite with that exact same blue flame. Driven completely insane, he loses control and brutally slashes his own teammate's throat, revealing he has been completely overtaken by a demonic virus. The campus instantly turns into a bloodbath as infected people begin tearing each other apart. The destruction hits home when a brick wall shatters open and a terrifying infected human bursts straight into Suho's classroom, cornering a helpless female student. An E-rank hunter who was supposed to protect them panics and runs away to save his own skin, leaving Suho completely alone, staring death right in the face. Suho curses his own weakness as a regular non-awakened human, but he refuses to back down. Knowing his father would never run away, pure rage explodes inside him, and Suho lunges forward at the monster with everything he's got. At that exact split second, reality glitches, and a massive glowing system window forces its way into his vision. With an emergency alert, you have met all of the requirements to complete the secret quest.